Hello, friends. Welcome to Desert Disc Planning, where building a system is important in my busy life. My name is Angelique, and today I will be setting up a teacher layout using one of my designs. Well, it is designed like the Happy Planner, but one I have put together using a different cover sheet. I went ahead and I put September on it because it's for September. I will be using last year, I want to say it's last year, DEK Design subscription box because I have multiples of maybe 2023. We're going to pull out and check real quick. Yeah, so this is the September 2023. I ended up buying like 2 of the same kit for that whole year. So I'm using all of my extras. I'm trying to use my stash. And so I'm going to cut it down and we're going to use the entire kit to do the layout for the month of September. This is a YouTube Collab Loop Group video. So this video is hosted by Creatively Lisa Marie. She is Creatively Lisa Marie on all channels, I believe, Instagram, Facebook, here on YouTube, TikTok, that kind of thing. So I have her connected here if you would like to check out her channel. But with the YouTube Collab Loop Group, we are, if you've never been here before, we are a group of creators that like to plan in our planners with stickers. And Lisa Marie gives us a theme, and then we go off of that theme on what we want, how we interpret it. So this week's video is Autumn, which is also my daughter's name, but I went ahead and I pulled out the September kit. It has the word Autumn in it. I'm like, yes, this is what we're going to do. Otherwise, I was just going to build a scrapbook with all of Autumn's pictures, but I am pinched for time, so I am going to put on some music, and then I'm going to get to cutting and sticking, and then we'll do a flip through of it at the end. At the end of the video, you'll go down to the description. You'll click the link that will send you to the next video. Once you make your way all the way around, whether it's starting with me or somebody else, once you make the full circle, then you've completed the loop and you've watched all of our interpretations for the theme Autumn. So I'll talk to you guys in a few. Okay, so I did this really quick and helped coach my flag football game at the same time. If you see my watch playing a couple of videos. So here it is. It's a September layout using the EK Designs. I did not use all of the stickers. Normally I try to, but I want to see how much space I actually need with this layout. So here, of course, is the front cover. And then I go into the monthly. I have the scheduled practices, games, my meetings, appointments, that kind of thing. And then it goes into the first. And I'm going to have to white this out. So I did this layering here. I'm not really sure what topics I'm going to put there. It is a 7-day week, so I have the days up here at the top. Here's week 2. And then we go into week 3 that looks like this. Pretty much the same. And then week 4, and I did run out, but I went ahead and I did week 5, even though normally I would use this for October, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th, because there's more days of October in this layout. But just to complete it and use all of the tabs, I went ahead and I did this, but I added some trinkets and decoration and things like that. So here it is. This is my September layout for the YouTube Collab Loop Group video for the theme of autumn, hosted by Creatively Lisa Marie. Again, go down into the description and you will find the person that you need to click to go to the next video. Once you get all the way around to the person you originally started with, then you will have completed the loop. We love the likes, we love the comments, and of course subscribing to our channel. If you want to participate, reach out to Creatively Lisa Marie. She may have some openings in the lineup for the following videos. But that is all I have, and until next time, bye!